Sam, and I am back with another banger. Yebo, ngibuyile. That's what it is. This is what it is right here. Into engizoyenza today ngifuna unitshengisa ukuthi how do you know ukuthi you have to buy or you have to sell for a crude oil. So siyazi oil it's actually an oil from like a USD kind of perspective. So I'm just gonna go straight towards it and ngingasichithi ngisho nakancane isikhathi. So basically into evele uyenze ukuthi you have to look at i-previous yakho and ne-actual yakho. So guys, this is very important. Anytime mawukuthi the news are about to be released, you have to check i-previous yakho ne-actual. So if your previous is greater than your actual, you sell. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So you just definitely sell. Ngisho noma kuthiwa ku-negative or minus don't wara, you just have to sell. Then if your actual is greater than your previous, you buy, guys. You buy. That's it. Don't think about it too much. Exactly as you see the stats. Ungalibeli ucabanga ukuthi oh manje it's negative or ntonton. No. The moment you see ukuthi okay, now this number right here, njengoba uyibona nje, shoots for the next oil, this one is greater than this one. So definitely I'm gonna buy in the next oil inventory. So with that being said, guys, that is how easy it is. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. It's simple as like that. So I hope you all understand. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you put a comment right there. Peace.